To help Jamaica's older citizens stay mentally alert, the council recently worked with them to craft an enlightening national activity, a senior citizen spelling contest.
Appreciation.
Abreaction.
That is correct. Absquatulated.
Absquatulated.
Yes, ma'am.
Absquatulated.
That is correct.
From the same book that the young learn words for the Gleaners Children's Own Spelling Bee, the seniors are being equipped to show off their brain power. In the 2012 competition, the oldest speller was 79 years old and the youngest 61.
It goes to show that they are alive, they are well, they have worth, they think very highly about themselves. And when you think of senior citizens, it's not just the little old person, but upstanding citizen.
The National Senior Citizen Spelling Bee started in 2004. The format is parish finals that feed into a spell-off from the top 14 at the Nationals. During the recent spell-off, the seniors showed agility and gumption.
The part of speech for this.
This is an adverb. Sorry, an adjective. Pardon. An adjective.
Abstemious.
Yes, abstemious.
Abstemious.
That is correct.
Wrestling the spell master, forcing her at times to seek clarification from the judges.
Madge, thank you for your patience.
The youngsters in the room were impressed with the sharpness of the seniors' brains.
The competitors were excellent spellers. I really respect them because I myself, I don't think I could have done something like that.
After more than 2 hours of spelling, there could only be one winner.
IMPUGN.
That's correct.
Olga Williams of St. Mary. Second place winner was Madge Johnson of St. Catherine, and third place went to Clarendon's Sylvia Smith.
We may be seniors, but we are certainly not senile. So activate the brain cells and do something.